Each day last week, Janet ran 2.5 miles and swam 1/4 mile. What is the total distance in miles that Janet ran and swam in 5 days last week? So in one day, Janet does 2.5 miles plus 1/4 miles combined. So let's figure out how much she does in one day alone. So I know 1/2, that's the same as 2/4. So in one day, she does 2 3/4 times. So now we need to figure out how many times she does in 5 days. So that'll be 2 3/4 plus 2 3/4 plus 2 3/4 plus 2 3/4. One more time, 2 3/4. A total of 5 times, or you could do 2 3/4 times 5. So I already know that 2 times 5, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's going to give me 10. Now, what about 3/4 added 5 times? Well, 3/4 plus 3/4 is 6/4, 9/4, 12/4, 15/4. Now, this is an ugly fraction. Now, let's convert this fraction so it looks a little bit prettier. So 15/4, I know that's the same as 3 3/4. Now, if we was to add the 10 to that, we get 13 3/4.